Hello student. Today we are going to do a Python program on phone or mobile platform which is PyDrot. Download this app from Play Store. So click on Play Store and write here the name of the app which is PyDrot and then install. After installation, click on Open and it will show the platform of Python program. Firstly, let me introduce all the icons. The first icon, it will show multiple options and the main option is share and setting. Second icon, it will show the multiple options like new, open, save, save as, close and recent files. First option is new. If you want to create another file or new file, then click on new option. Next is open. If you want to open existing one file or saved file, then click on open and write the name of the file which you want to open. And next one is your save. Save. If you want to save a program, then click on the save option. When you click the save option, it will ask you where you want to save the program, like internal memory or external memory. Very first program of your Python programming language to display the hello student or hello world. So let's start. Write here print. Make it open and quotes. Write here hello students and then click on run button. This one is your run button. So click here and it will show you the output. This one is your output screen and it will show the output which is hello student. Now if you want to create new program, then click on back option and right here click on new. Again right here print and write the another program like hello eleven computer science students and click enter. If you want to print two lines in a same program, then write here again print brackets open and quotes welcome to okay. After that click on run option. It will show you the output. See in printf in first line hello +1 computer science students. Next line is welcome to Python class. This one is your output of your program. I hope you understand how to write a program